Sunday, guys, it comes a little bit brighter. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sunday and I'm currently at work about to leave. It's raining cats and dogs out here. My skin looks so nice. And also I am about to head for my nephew by his grandmother and then head home to my bundle of joy. But yeah, stay tuned for this week's vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's a lot coming up for this week. Yeah, just remember to leave the likes. Remember to leave the comments. You know, comments on some part that you guys can relate to and stuff like that. But it's gonna be a good week, you know. As I said in my previous vlog, when life throws lemon, you make lemonade with it, right? Yay! Bye! Why you smell the chicken? Eat it. Eat it. Yeah. Good job. He's a liar, guys. He's a liar. So I'm home, lying down, relaxing. Man himself over there. So, hey! Yeah. Cheese. Nice. It's pouring outside, guys. As I've been telling you before, it's pouring like, what? But I'm gonna take me and pick up the camera for the rest of the night. Oh, nice. Look under the bandage over here. It's alright so far. Hi. Hi. Oh God. Okay, until tomorrow. Bye. Anyways, guys, tomorrow. Pick y'all back up tomorrow. Alright, guys, so it's Monday and me I tell you the rain has stopped fall from yesterday. Remember the last time I pick up the camera, it was Sunday. Today I'm Monday and I'm Monday night now. We are coming from off of the road, kind of I go to school because they're not here this morning. I'm going to have 2 clients. Cancel one, no, not cancel one, reschedule one and then do the next one. But anyways, but if I'm away, I can get few stuff in the supermarket right now.
Ready? Ready?
That's true. Alright, good job.
This way, come, hold it, come, pull it this way. Yeah, good boy, come. Are you happy for them here, Kai? Come, Kai, around here, come, ready. Come, Papa. This way. Kai,
guys, so we reach home and we are coming in, and when we are coming in, the front we are see them they know from the area, guys. So yeah, me gonna show him imposter. Oh my god, like what the heck? But anyways, guys, I'm gonna vlog a lot for today, so you know, sorry if you give me for that. Hopefully tomorrow can be better. I'm supposed to have Monique birthday dinner to go to. So I'm supposed to vlog that if the rain will fall and everything go well. What's that go out? I need to do my hair, all that. So hopefully we can have a better footage for the day. Like show from morning to night. But yeah. Watch I want in an umbrella upon him.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us.
Alright guys, so I am heading to my tailor to get the dress tailored because it's too big. You know, give me the vibe I want from it. So yeah, I'm just head there right now and then pick y'all up back and show you the vibe. So guys, I'm taking in this dress. So look here. So I'm going to take in from so. I want it to be up on my body more. I want it up my body more. You know what I'm saying? Too much room there, nice. Alright guys, so remember I told you guys Lily team I come up with something good with me and Robin. So I am at Phil's Hardware right now. I get some board cut up for the DIY designs that we're going to buy ourselves. So I vlog it and show you my piece. Just for today, I'm going to show you what I do today. Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys. Guys, we just pick him up. And I head home now. It's raining cats and dogs. Why? Wash up my plants. I wash up my plants. Y'all made people across me. Hey, stop it.
Oh, you know what I'm going to do?
Okay, guys, so we are heading to Monique's birthday dinner and we're super late.
Fashionably.
My lips look so tint and I want us to look like black and no tinted looking. Pinkish look.
Pinker than yours, currently.
But anyways, Mo, when you're watching this, I'm so sorry, babe. It's Robin's fault.
Don't
and
you fucking do it.
Don't
you fucking do it. You know you're the master for lateness.
It's Robin actually this not if it.
Fucking do it.
Tell the truth, and you.
The truth is, Kimberly Hamilton was supposed to bring the bag with the makeup, yeah? You know what we just did? Got into Kingston and had to go up to the shop to do our makeup.
Because of Robin, obviously. But anyways, I'm just feeling it in, guys. So we're heading there. We're going to Oceana right now, and it's my first time going there, so I'm gonna give you all the experience. Also, like we're gonna feel like on a ZZ. So yeah, stay prepared and ready. So each bite we take, we're gonna get bite too. We're not gonna bite first.
Each bite the courtesy, we're gonna get a bite too.
We're not gonna bite, yeah. So yeah, until we're there. That's Robin, guys. That's her fit. You want me to put the right light on you?
Yeah, where is it?
In my bag. I need to find a space somewhere to show you guys how I look, but this is the vibe for now.
I wonder if my heels are more comfortable now that I'm slimmer.
focus on me. Keep the focus on.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body stays my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Project your voice, please, love. Each and every one of us will have a special place in my heart.
P-Rod.
And I want to say thank you guys for coming. Thank you for making the time and the effort. I really appreciate it. And I love you guys.
Cheers! Cheers over there to everybody.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Happy birthday!
It's something. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Big butty girl.
We're gonna take a good picture, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh.
It's something. It's something. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't worry about me. You'll try to come back with the fame. I always want to stay. You got something in my mind. You wanna get me to stop.
You guys are so fake. So fake. Okay, guys, you can tell the vibe was everything. Everybody that whip away, yeah. And the vibe wasn't like, you know, half hour like that. Everybody was, you know, more like, we're so late. Yeah, they were more like, oh my god, the life of the party's here. Woo! But yeah, it was a cool night. Happy birthday, Monique. And if you've reached this far in the video, guys, please comment. The dinner was nice. The dinner was nice. And tell me why I recorded a while ago, but over 2 minutes, and the video was slow motion. You know something? Guys, when you're on the road, just rough. If we have to hold the video, they probably have the back camera me use, guys. Just please just tell us to come on the camera now. But see you guys tomorrow. If this camera is not on us, I'm gonna do it one more time. Take 3. Okay, bye.
Alright guys, so I'm home safely and sound. Robin is home, she's good. Drive from my home, and as I say, the night was awesome. Comment down below if you want to reach this far in the video. Dinner was good. Peace.
If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. Wasting my time with you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's another day. My bad mind's on at the front at the gas station. Oh my god, I'm supposed to have at the gas station. And get some gas, and then we're gonna go work. No, lie. Alright, I try to do it fast. Alright, never mind. And let's do it again. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's another day. It's the next day. It's now Wednesday. March. It's now Wednesday. Wednesday what today? Wednesday the 25th. 24th. 25th? One of them days there. You can see it on the screen. But anyways, yeah. We're heading to drop Kai off to school, and then we are going to work. So yeah, that's up for the day. I don't know where I'm going for the day, but I'll just vlog and show you what's up for each session of the day. Lunchtime, dinner time, all of that. So yeah, it's now 8 o'clock. Minutes after 8, I was supposed to reach school, high school, a long time. Well, because I'm a baby, he have a specific time. But I'm supposed to reach between 7 and probably 8, but no after 8. So yeah, that's about it for the day. For now, I say. So catch you all back when I pick it up back. So yeah, bye. He's gone. Good morning, guys. Psych, it's not morning time. It's another day, as you can tell because I'm not on the same clothes. I am at the shop, heading across the road to home and things to buy something for my mother. Well, not really buy something. I'm going to check on something for her, me and Robin. So we're head over there right now and then head back to the shop because we have some clients. I know I'm telling you say yo mega vlog that day, which is yesterday. Sorry, it's now Thursday. What a week in my life. But anyways, I'm up on the road, so goodbye until the next clip. Watch Robin look like a mad woman on the road. Do-rag. Robin. Mad woman. Load bike. We're reaching inside and also looking at some stuff for the shop. Yeah. Let's see. Hello? Not for the shop. Is this she? Maybe this. I don't know. What you guys? 1 and 2 stuff. Actually interested in these. A bathroom light them here? Bathroom light me have video. No, sir. With YouTube. Remember, I'm coming here about YouTube. One thing, guys. I actually like these. Yeah, definitely that. Oh my god, isn't this so cute? I'm gonna try it out. See the price, yeah? Basically 2,000 change. Oops. Guys, like the battery going night. I'm gonna like how it look. Think it brighter. Oh no. But it's so cute. Going up the stairs to look on the tile or my mother send me out for. Now this one we have? That's the one in my shower.
Yeah. What you want?
Would I get that one here? For the shower. The floor. On the ground?
Yeah.
Make sure all people let me know them slide on.
So,
You know, oh, you're not too smooth.
not too smooth. Come car says the elderly folks. This is nice. Yeah.
Ooh, look good on the camera.
Goodbye.
And this too.
This is nice. So which one are the flooring on the normally?
Okay, guys, it come up a little bit brighter. I love it. I'm gonna buy it. One thing, guys, comment down below. Get it or don't get it? I'm gonna get it. But still, let me know if it's a good buy. It's reasonable. Girl, a white tee, guys.
What do you mean by white?
It's a white man.
Not white man. It's quite have a big name, Lee.
White man.
It's my earpods.
Alright, guys, so we are through with woman things. I head over the shop now. I've been afraid of the sun. Make a body up. Make a body up right now. So until the next clip, or maybe tomorrow. But yeah. Yeah,
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with them bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you?
Alright, guys, so it's Friday. Is it Friday? Yes. It's Friday. I have a doctor's appointment to go to. You know, some have do a surgery. So I'm gonna check up on it now. Make him take out a piece of stitches where they left back in it. And just basically just tell me how it is now and if we can start put on bandage on him something. So stay tuned for that. And we have some couple work to do. So yeah, this is that is it for the day. But yeah, there's Kristen over there. With her flat belly.
It's a rain cats and dog guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Golden.
They show me that if I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
Alright guys, so there's a little, you see that? Thread right there. This part, dread it. Oh!
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I
It's too hot. So I am back at the shop. Oh my god. I finally took it out. It bleed a little bit. You can see my right as well. Look. You see it? Yeah, it bleed a little bit.
Don't go up there.
But yeah, finally it's out. We can stop wear the bandage now over it. And what else? I'll be nice guys. I'll be nice. Kai and Tyler. Oh, I'll show you name. Oh yeah, I'm here waiting on my client. I'm gonna text her right now to find out what she did on. Probably in traffic and all these things.
Stop it. Be a vessel.
That's his best friend from in the womb. Oh my god. Mother never knows how that will go on in a beach.
Yeah. Welcome to the vlog, guys. morning, guys. It's another day. It's another day. Sorry. Anyways, today I'm gonna close out the vlog. Really hope you enjoy it. Leave in the comments down below if you reach this far another video. Shout out, big up you, Kim. If you type that, then I know say you reach this far. You know, wow, on yourself for the video. But yeah, in the comment section, I should say. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, as I said before, and see y'all in the next one. Bye.